Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a vlog. So over the summer I had a lot of different activities. Today I'm going to be taking you along with me on my trip to Niagara. Enjoy. I'm at the train station now, just trying to look for, I'm not sure where exactly to meet the guys that I'm going with. So I'll just sit down for a second and figure that out. I finally found them and we had the most amazing trip. There was a lot of laughter, there was music, there was a lot of banter. Oh my god, it was fun. We got to our destination in good time. We got the opportunity to settle into our hotel, and after that we stepped out to look for dinner. Dinner was fun because we had Chinese and it was really affordable, and also we then walked around to see what Niagara has to offer. Hi guys, guess what? Guys, this place is so huge. You have like loads of attraction, lots of things to do. You have the casino over there. You have that's a Burger King, but you have it's just kind of embellished with Frankenstein looking things. Oh, then you have a Ferris wheel right there. Like it's so huge, so huge. And you have bowling. You can definitely do a bowling thing as well. Like lots of fun things to do. But last, I'm on the go to now. So we walked to the waterfall to take in the view. The night view was amazing. As you can see, it was really beautiful to watch and then hear the sound of the waterfall at night. We had a good night's rest, and the next morning we woke up energetic. We had breakfast and we set out on our way to conquer Niagara. We also stop at the Vigo to enter. We are not together with Hi guys, good morning. Grace here again. So welcome to the Nook. Today I'm going to be doing a tour of Niagara Falls. I'm just going to be showing you a video of whatever we decide to do. We got a ticket, which is like a group package where you have different activities, and we got it for $69, but then in total it's like 77. So what we're gonna do then would be I'm gonna put the link in the bio or in the description rather for you to see and all. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's really sunny, really hot. I had to borrow these glasses. Yeah. So right behind, there's like a volcano thing happening there. That was that sound that you heard. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So guys, wait for it. Yeah, wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah, see the glow? Can you see the glow? So guys, remember the view from last night that had different colors that looked glorious? So this is the same place, and there are different activities centered around the fall. So I really wanted to go on the zip line but couldn't, but I hope to go on it the next time I visit Niagara. Here are a few fun facts about Niagara. So firstly, Niagara Falls is the second largest falls on the globe next to Victoria Falls in Southern Africa. Secondly, the falls borders the US and Canada. Thirdly, it is made up of 3 different falls. The Canadian Falls, also known as the Horseshoe Fall, and then 2, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the third one is the American Falls. See the number of people here. You should definitely come with your glasses, because you don't want to be like me and be begging for glasses up and down. See, now this is the other one I'm borrowing. You see? It's beautiful. This is like literally, this so cool. So one of the activities on the ticket that we got was Journey Behind the Fall. So here we're just going into the building to queue up and go behind the falls. Everyone is given a plastic bag, or should I say raincoat, to protect them from the splashes of the waterfall. So this is me just flexing my Agbada looking raincoat. You see that? Can you see that? So guys, we're literally behind the fall. You can see the splash of water on my face, right? It's really intense. Not really intense in that sense, but you get what I mean.
We're at the falls right now. It's like annoying splash of water.
I actually like the water.
It's very annoying.
It's refreshing.
Yeah, it's refreshing if you like get a lot of sunlight. And I think we're as close as the guys on the cruise. The guys on the cruise are staying just exactly where we are. They can't move forward because of the water currents. Very strong water currents. So
I think you have to get that back in.
I still would argue that, you know, I think I'd rather be on somewhere where I can stay as long as I want. But when you're on the cruise, you can't stay as long as you want because, like, after a while, they want to come back.
I feel like
they don't control.
just because you know, you feel the currents, everything. So it's like 3D experience.
I see what you mean.
Ours is just like two.
No, but like we still get it because we're closer and we can stay as much as we like. So there's a trade-off between being on the cruise and being here.
So price versus,
you know, quality, whatever you want to call it. And then looking at you can see where the water actually touched the floor.
Yeah.
There's so much steam coming out that you don't get to see. Like the vision is blurry. Like
Lord. So the cruise is well organized. People who leave from the Canadian side wear the red vest, and people who leave from the American side wear the blue vest, so that there is no mix-up. Going down. We're going down. Guys, oh my god. Tell me, what's your, let's say, prognosis now?
what's my prognosis?
About this, where we are now. Is it different?
My argument is that Johnny Behind Fall gets you closer and gets like a closer spot, like in terms of like proximity to the fall than using the cruise. That's my opinion, right?
And good value for money.
Yeah, it's good value for money compared to like just using the cruise. I also feel like you can chill as much as you like, as long as you like the cruise. I like it. It's my opinion. Johnny Behind the Fall.
I think I agree with you.
Yeah.
So Johnny Behind the Fall, literally you can see like we are literally being splashed by the water.
You need to feel the vibration of the water.
That's screaming like a mad person. But I think that would be exciting, especially when you have people that are screaming and you just be laughing.
Yeah. If you want to feel like the vibration of water, like going to the energy.
3D, 4D.
Yeah, you don't get.
Yeah.
But you actually are closer. Like literally, you can see, like you can see where the water is falling, the closest point. Like you can literally see it, like, and like the water that gets on our bodies, the water is splashing from the contacts.
Yeah.
The fall itself, which is amazing.
So after the journey behind the fall, we decided to do the Whitewater Walk. So we're taking the shuttle to the Whitewater Walk to see what that's about. Guys, we are at the Whitewater Walk, right? So I don't know what we're going to do actually. So come along with me. Let's go and see what we need to do. All right, bye-bye. Collect your money. Let's go. So, walking down the tunnel, it's a bit chilly. Guys, I need a GoPro. So this is about like a 20 minutes walk. Let's see how much steps we can get in. But it's actually really beautiful. If you look back, I'll change the view of the camera in a sec, right? It's a really beautiful view. It's just be, I think it should just be like a good place to just watch waterfalls. Nothing really special, to be honest, if you ask me. But yeah, good sight. Good sight. Vlogger. There's nothing there. Yes.
There's nothing there.
And indeed, there was nothing there. So it was just walking and looking at the water, nothing interesting. Guys, so after a not so fantastic time at the Whitewater Walk, we set out for the Whirlpool car. Let's see if this holds better promise for us for fun. At the time we got here, it was already way past noon and there was a long lineup, so we had to wait for about, I think, 30 minutes. So the idea of this is that the Whirlpool car, that thing moving, will take you from one end of the river to the other end. So guys, we are on the Aerocar, I think. This is called the Aerocar. Whirlpool Aerocar. See, I'm already a shade, maybe 2 shades darker. The view from the Aerocar is just splendid. So we had a ride all the way to the other end of the cliff, and then we rode back to where we started from. Nothing really fantastic or adrenaline pumping. So we are kind of the video.
It's kind of like follow the leader in school.
Yeah, follow the leader. When we were done with the activities, we went to find lunch, and then we found this restaurant that had a buffet during the day. We booked a table and we walked in and we ate like our storm. We were really hungry, and it was interesting that they had like a variety of food and ice cream as well. So yeah, it was a good meal. And of course, we had good conversation to accompany the meal.
Tell me what we happened
Hi guys. So today or this evening, I'm gonna try the go karting or the go karts, which is right. Anyways, there's a really long queue to get to the front. Do we buy the tickets for everybody? Guys, just finished the go-kart thing. Oh my god, it was nice, like really nice. I definitely recommend it, definitely.